Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to import schedules in Time Doctor. The first thing I want you to do is once you're logged into your dashboard, come to the top navigation bar, click on Settings, and then here click on Schedules. Now, here on the top left you'll see Add or Edit Schedules. It needs to be a CSV file format. Okay, just click on this, and now here you can upload your CSV file. So you can click here to get to the file explorer, or you can drag and drop as well. If you need a sample like this, you can download the CSV, edit it. Okay, make sure it matches. Now I'll just drag and drop this one. As you can see, when I bring it here, it gets highlighted, right? So I'll drop it in here, and now we'll upload this CSV, and you should see the changes. So if you had noticed, we only had it right here, the first one, the first day. Now we have these days as well added, as you can see. So it does work, and that is how to import schedules in Time Doctor.